Any disaster, any danger, we are focused and prepared 24 hours. This is News Faster. Hello world. This is News Faster 24 hours focus for the headline news.
Philippine scientists warn of another eruption at Taal volcano. Over 3,000 estimated Visayas villages warned of floods and landslides.
Magnitude 5.3 earthquake strike of Batangas. 7.3 magnitude quake strike Indonesia. No tsunami threat to Philippines.
Another eruption at the Philippines' second most active volcano can occur anytime soon amid anomalously high volcanic gas emissions, according to government scientists. For further news, here is reporter Aiko Abe and Gabriel Lasa.
More than 3,000 residents from high-risk villages around Taal volcano in Batangas province, 66 kilometers south of the capital Manila, have fled their homes since Thursday, when the volcano erupted, spewing a dark plume of volcanic gas and steam in the air. Since then, several bursts of volcanic gas and steam have been generated by Taal. On Sunday, the highest level of volcanic sulfur dioxide gas emission was recorded, at an average of 22,628 tons per day, the highest ever recorded in Taal, the PhilVox said in the bulletin. The emissions were accompanied by 26 strong and very shallow, low-frequent volcanic earthquakes associated with magmatic degassing, it added. These observations may indicate that an eruption similar to the July 1st, 2021 event may occur anytime soon, the institute said.
PhilVox raised the alert at the volcano to level 3, which means that there was ongoing magnetic intrusion at the main crater that may further drive succeeding explosion. Taal last erupted on January 12, 2020, displacing more than 376,000 people from surrounding towns. At that time, 39 people in evacuation centers died due to illness and accident caused by thick ash falls. According to the provincial government, Taal has erupted 33 times since 1572. The last eruption there in January 2020 shot as 15 kilometers high and speed red lava, crashing scores of homes, killing livestock, and sending more than 135,000 people into shelters. Taal also has the distinction of being the only known volcano in the world within a lake on an island. It is a popular tourist destination for its picturesque crater lake.
At least 3,124 villages in eastern Visayas Region 8 have been warned of possible flooding and landslides due to the Typhoon Odette, according to the Mines and Geosciences Bureau. Here is reporter John Lloyd de la Cruz and Ian Madrid.
MGB Region 8 Senior Geologist Rodrigo J. Mirales said the update list of highly susceptible villages has been shared with local government units to facilitate pre-disaster planning activities. These villages are located in the province of Southern Leyte, Northern Samar, Leyte, and Eastern Samar. The MGB advised the Barangay Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Committees to coordinate with their City of Municipal Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Councils to plan for any emergency, including identification for safe and suitable evacuation center. A shear line is a narrow corridor along which there is an abrupt change in the horizontal component of the wind. The Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical and Astronomical Service Administration, or the PAGASA, warned of a heavy downpour due to the storm on Wednesday.
In a flood advisory, the Weather Bureau identified several rivers in 6 provinces that would likely be affected by the downpour. These are Sangputan, Palo, Solano, Dagitan, Marabong, Kadakan, Bungkirugon, Salug, Pagbanagaran, Pagsangahan, and Binahaan in Leyte, and Kataman, Bugko, Pambujan, Katubig, Palapag, Mano, and Gamay in northern Samar. Other rivers including Oras, Dolores, Ulot, Taf, Borongan, Suribao, Lorente, Palanggiga, and Sulat in eastern Samar, Basay, Silaga, Kalbiga, and Jibatan in Samar, Bisay, Himbangan, and Pandan in southern Leyte, and all river system in Biliran. People living in low-lying areas near these river systems have been advised to stay alert for the possible flash floods. Those residing near mountain slopes have been told to watch out for the signs of landslide.
A magnitude 5.3 earthquake struck off and coast of Batangas and was felt in near area in Luzon, including Metro Manila. On Monday afternoon, state seismology said, here is Chester Ignacio.
PBOC said the earthquake, which was tectonic in origin, struck 24 kilometers southwest of Calatagan town. It occurred around 5:12 p.m. The quake had a depth of 99 kilometers. Reported intensities: Intensity 3 or weak in Quezon City. Intensity 2 or slightly felt in San Felipe in Zambales. Instrumental intensities: Intensity 1 or scarcely perceptible in Quezon City, Tagaytay City, Batangas City, and Calatagan. PBOC said aftershocks are expected to occur.
A 7.3 magnitude earthquake struck eastern Indonesia on Tuesday, the U.S. Geological Survey said. But the Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology said this posed no tsunami threat to the country. PBOC and other monitors, however, warn of the possibility of hazardous tsunami waves at coast located 1,000 kilometers of the earthquake epicenter. Here is Ashley Flores.
The USGS said the quake struck around 100 kilometers north of the town of Maumere at a depth of 18.5 kilometers in the Flores Sea at 0320 GMT. Indonesia experiences frequent quakes and volcanic eruptions due to its position on the Pacific Ring of Fire, an arc of intense seismic activity where tectonic plates collide that stretches from Japan through Southeast Asia and across the Pacific Basin. Among Indonesia's string of deadly quakes was the devastating 2004 19.1 magnitude tremor that struck off the coast of Sumatra and triggered a tsunami that killed 220,000 throughout the region, including about 170,000 in Indonesia. The Boxing Day disaster was one of the deadliest natural disasters in recorded history. In 2018, a powerful quake shook the island of Lombok and several more tremors followed over the next couple of weeks, killing more than 550 people on the Holiday Island and neighboring Sumbawa. Later that year, a 7.5 magnitude quake and subsequent tsunami in Palu on Salasway Island left more than 4,300 people dead or missing.
Para sa mga tips upang makaiwas at makapaganda sa mga darating na lindol, narito ang pakikipanayam ni Amelia Avancenia.
Have you ever experienced an earthquake before? If, saan, kung naaalala, and where? When?
Yes, na-experience ko. Hindi ko magandaan yung place. Hindi ko magandaan ang day. Pero yung place, nandun ako noon sa De Los Santos College sa Espanya Extension, Quezon City.
Gaano kalakas yung earthquake yung naranasan?
7.9.
What did you do when you experienced the earthquake?
Since nabigla ako, syempre natakot. Kasi nasa 5th floor ako, kaya napakalakas. Marami kaming estudyante na nasa 4th floor, 5th floor, 4th floor, 5th floor. Kaya dahan-dahan akong gumapang para bigyan ng babala yung mga bata na huwag magpanik.
So, what did you do after the earthquake or bago mag-aftershock?
Nung ma-inspection na namin yung building after the earthquake, napansin namin na may mga crack, kaya nag-ready na kami para umuwi. Inintay muna namin makauwi lahat ng mga estudyante bago kami nag-uwi ng staff.
So, what precaution will you take if ever you experience an earthquake again?
Kung sakali, ready naman ako since marami ng mga earthquake drill na napagsanayan ko being social welfare staff, teaching preschool children sa daycare, kaya nag-undergo kami ng maraming ilang beses na mga earthquake drill. Gagamitin ko na yung natutunan.
Okay, thank you for participating in our interview for today.
Any disaster, any danger, we are focused and prepared 24 hours. This is News Faster.